show us like this. It is the ElektroKidz. It's hair dances to your favorite beats. I think you have to press its belly button. I got it.
I love you.
Yay! I love you.
I love you too, Mommy.
Here you go. What are you gonna name them? What are you gonna name her?
Christine. I love Christine.
Okay, so while we have you up here, I found a special candy for you. Okay? I thought of you when I got it.
I love it.
You love it? What do you think it's gonna be?
Booger candy.
Booger candies?
It is booger candy.
It is. It's, hold on, let me read it for everyone. It's not your regular gummy. It's a box of boogers. Tangy gummy boogies that look and feel real. It even says on the back, picked fresh just for you.
Picked fresh just for you. Ew.
You ready to try them?
Yeah.
Okay, in the box. Are you ready to eat your boogers?
Yeah.
I'm so excited.
Yeah.
Ew, yuck. You have to try a yellow one and a green one, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here, I picked it out of my nose. Just for you.
It smells like watermelon.
Ooh.
It is watermelon.
Is it snottermelon? Eat it! You want to try a yellow one now? Ooh, there you go. That's a nice snotty looking one.
I picked it from the nose.
You did? You like it?
It tastes like lemon.
Like a lemon?
It tastes like snow.
Snot lemon? Is it a thumbs up? You like these? Thumbs up. Actually, thumbs in. Can you tell everyone bye-bye?
Have it?
Have what?
The candy?
You want more boogers?